I'm going to give you a demo of the difference between the UE Megaboom and the older UE Boom. The Megaboom is a little bit louder, richer, fuller, heavier in bass. But if you don't have the boom, if you don't have the Megaboom to compare it to, the boom is awesome. If you already have the boom and you're considering the Megaboom, you should get it. It's so awesome. So I'm going to play it and you can tell for yourself. All right. I don't want to blow your guys' eardrums out here, so let's see. We're going to start out with the Megaboom. Actually, it's on the boom. It's on that one, and let's max it out.
Giant and then I'm on, driving it is the motto. The bass gon' buff you up, you like it tough and arigato. Bubba bouncing always PD, so bumpin' and you're busy. Bubba bumpin' and you're busy, till your head start feeling dizzy. The legs are feeling jealous, we can't off already. The super duper bazooka bass so heavy, bazooka bass so heavy. The Chevy on it, stepping to another ship, take another trip. Here we go. I don't wanna be in touch. Now, I guess it's oh down. You never get enough. Oh, no. Everything bars, get you right, get you lane, get you right, get you brain, get you tight, get you chain. Everything bars, get you right, get you lane, get you right. Yes!
We ain't playing straight mind, the way of the bass line, quick sound. Put it in a big glass, mix it up like witchcraft.